Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go on Guitar. We have Wish. Wonderful Wednesday. I love Wednesdays. So it's your opportunity, guys, to get your songs here on Go on Guitar. And I try to bump it up to have at least 2 maybe in the future. And we will soon have Wish weeks again. It was very nice to just add on many Wish songs here for you guys. So yeah, I do my best to reach out to you guys, read your comments, and see what you like to be here covered on Gordon Guitar. This time it's you, Zainab Shaku, or something like that. Sorry if I butcher your name, but you wish for Saint Levant, Deira. It's featuring Abdul, a little bit different. All right, so we have some Eastern vibes on this, and I like that. I like to mix it up a little bit. So we're gonna look at this song together. Thank you, Zainab, for being here on Gordon Guitar. This is for you and all you Saint Levant fans. Let's do this together now. So we're gonna start with capo set on 3rd fret. All right, so with that we have 4 chords, okay? Only 4 chords, so that's nice. Let's take a look at the chords, and we'll start with E minor. All right, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have B7. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom and up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. We have A minor next. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And then C as a final chord. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so there we have the chords. They are the building blocks for all songs almost. So we'll come to that soon. First, we have this instrumental part that comes and goes in this song, and it starts with this instrumental melody. I'm gonna take you through these notes. I'm gonna do it pretty quickly because it's just notes and I just want to mention them. The main thing here will be the chords and the strumming and the rhythm in the song. All right, so we'll start with the instrumental part, and yeah, it goes like this for the first part. So you are on the D string now, 2nd, 4th, 2 times on the 5th fret D string, then 2nd D string, then 4th, then 1st, and 2nd, and the pause. So the next part will be, okay, so that is 4th on D string, 5th on D string, then 2 times on the 2nd fret the G string, then 4th D, then 2 times on the 5th D, then 2nd D, and 4th D, and the pause. So far we played okay. Then we can do the next in 2 different parts as well. It's pretty much one part altogether without pauses, but we will split it up so it's not going to be too much to take in. So next part will be okay, so that is 4th D string, 5th D string, then 4th time on the 2nd fret G string, then 4th G, back to 2nd G, 5th D, 4th D, and a 2nd D. It's a short pause right there, just short pause, not as long as the other pauses we had, just to have some breathing. And then you're gonna play the last part, which is so that will be on the D string, 2nd, 4th D, 5th D, back to 2nd D, 4th D, 1st D, second D, fourth D, first D, third A, and second A. And that's the final notes. And there you have the instrumental part that comes and goes in the song. So slowly everything sounds like this. So there you have it, guys. Now, that's the instrumental part. Over to the main chord progression here in this song. So what we got left now is the main theme, has one chord progression, and then we have a bridge part later on. Let's take a look at the main, and you're gonna start with E minor. And for that, all the strumming now will be the same. We need to learn the strumming pattern. So grab the E minor. One strumming round is like this, okay? So it's one down, and then comes up, clap, down. And that's it. So down, short pause, up, clap, down. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. All right, so let's learn the main part, which is E minor, 2 string rounds, B7, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2 string rounds, C, 1, and B7, 1. That's it. So E minor 2, B2, A minor 2, C1, B1, like this. That is one chord progression round. All right, so that is the main part of the song. You're gonna play that and back and forth with this and the instrumental part, but then comes a bridge part, and it happens about 1 minute and 57 seconds into the songs. In the lyrics it starts with big dreams. So it raps in English first and then in some Arabic language. I'm not sure where they come from really, actually. Sorry about that, but yeah. Anyway, it starts with in English and big dreams. That's the lyrics at 1 and 57. All right. So with that, we're gonna do a different chord progression. It's a pretty long one. I can just mention it, and then I'm gonna play and speak me while I'm playing, so you see what chord I'm using. So it's the same strumming style, and you're gonna play A minor 2, E minor 2. You're gonna do that for 3 rounds. So A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2. 3 rounds of that back and forth. Then you're gonna end with C1, B7, 1, and E minor 2. All that is one chord progression round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So I'm gonna speak meanwhile the first round, and then the second round I'm just gonna play through. So it goes A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2, C1, B1, E minor 2. Next round. That's it. So the main part. All right, guys, so there you have it. Deira. Nice song there. Thank you, Zainab, for highlighting this one. Never heard before. Without you, it would be like that. So, yeah. Nice song. Thank you for being here on Growing Guitar. And if you have future wishes, make sure you leave a comment. You can do it already now. In the near future, we'll have wish weeks. Actually, we'll have more of these songs implemented, these type of wish songs implemented on Gorgon Guitar. So you can already now leave a comment and I save everything and we bump it up pretty soon. Thank you much, everybody, and see you soon. And if you like this tutorial and this idea of Wish Wednesdays, feel free to support me here, subscribe to this channel, and leave a feedback on this tutorial if you wish. Thank you, and play tuned.